Hey YouTube, happy holidays. Today I'm recreating the cinnamon mistletoe idea. I hope you like. Stay tuned. These are the items you will need for this project. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now to this glass bowl, I added about 2 tablespoons of my 80% proof vodka. And you want to make sure that you clean your surface with your regular alcohol before you get started. Now I'm going to use my dropper stick and I'm going to really saturate these with the alcohol. Now you want them to be really saturated because this is what is going to hold the scent of the essential oils. The essential oils that I'm using today are lime, cinnamon, and peppermint. I also went back and tried a different set of essential oils, which I think I liked more. It was clove, cinnamon, and spearmint. And you really don't need too much of this. You probably need about 1 or 2 drops, probably 3, no more, of each of these. The scent of these mistletoes will last for about a week before they start to fade. Now once you're done with this, you're going to put these aside to dry for about a day. Then we're going to move on to our next step. Okay, go ahead and grab your berries and cut them off the stem. Then you're going to grab one of the leaves and then you're going to try to see, like, how do you want this to look. Now once you're done with this, you're going to grab your glue gun and a glue stick and attach your berries directly to the center of one of the leaves. Oh, I also forget to mention that we'll be needing some Christmas hooks for this project. Now you're going to take one of these and bend them into a U shape. And once you're done with that, you're going to attach your bent hook to one end of your scented cinnamon stick. Now once you're done with this, go ahead and grab your mistletoe that you made and attach it to the front and we're done. Now this completes our scented mistletoe idea. I hope you enjoyed. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.